got all the parts over here, and now we're gonna put it together, and that's easy. First, we take this one, we put this one in, but when you drop it in, the spring flies off, falls out. So I take this one, then I hold it. Even kijken, zo denk ik. Carefully slide it in. Hop. And now with your finger, guide it to the middle. Hop. And there he is. Now guys, watch what I did. I got on this side a big washer. So, watch. I slide it in to hold that thing in place. So, this one is over here. Now, then, don't forget, this one goes on top of there. And then we have extension, put it over it, carefully slide it down, and then have a look if it's nicely in line. No. And when it's not, watch if it's up, goes nicely in. Then we take the bolt with the copper washer, and be careful that your copper washer don't drop already. Then screw it in by hand, and now this one can get out. And then I take my air gun and just give it a quick, yeah, smackety smack, not much. Come. Hop. Now, I'm sure doesn't leak. Then, guys, now we have that Teflon bushing. It goes over like this. Carefully gonna take the washer, hop, give it another try. Carefully. Actually, you can hear it when it bottoms out. Let's see. No, not by far. Yep. Perfect. See, I'm gonna show you. See, it lined up. Now we're gonna put the big washer on top. Okay. And now we're gonna get the seal in. I hate those packages. I never get them. See? Should be opened like this, but oh. Scissor. What was the most difficult to do a fork seal project? Get the package open. Yes. And over here, guys, we have All balls racing. We do hard parts the right way. Okay. And of course, the wonderful All Balls sticker. Yeah. Great. And here we have the two oil seals. Take one out. Okay. Loop, loopity loop loop. Take some oil. Give it a little bit of oil. Well, a little bit. Okay. And now comes the tricky but easy part. Take something like this. Use your scissors. Hop. Then place it over here. Wait a minute, not done. Cut it open. No. Okay. Place it on top. Yeah. Cut a bit off. It's way too big. See? Like this. Hop. Sure. It's all the way around. Fold this in. So now we have this rounded edge. Then we take our new seal with the closed part facing upwards. This is, see, the hollow part. Carefully push it from one side to the other, see? And then slide it over here, because this is always the most rusty part. Oh, and then oh, out of your piece of plastic. Oh, now, so easy. Then we can just make it a little bit slippery. Not much, just enough. Then push it in with your fingers. Okay, like this. Get your hammer tool, or yeah, you can use a PVC pipe. And now carefully hammer it in. Don't try to do it in one go. And if you listen carefully, you can hear it when it bottoms. And rotate the lower part. Then have a look. Yep, perfect. It's in perfect. Well done. Then we got, that's here how you can see it's seated now. And over there is a ridge where this comes in. Just with your fingers, push it in. Then with a screwdriver, click, see? Hop, 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 hop. nicely in place. Now, the next thing we're gonna do is the dust cap. For the dust cap, carefully slide it over till it's seated. Then sometimes you can press it in by hand, but if that doesn't work, get a, what is this, plastic hammer. Hop. Around and around, and tap it nicely in place. Now, here something. Oké. Ik weet niet of dat met deze ook gegaan zou hebben. Hop. Yes. One ready to fill. Ugh. You. Told you. Godverdorie. Wat een lul, hè? God. Lak. Slap het. Nou, over daar. This is the left front fork. First, I'm gonna take that bolt out. Easy. Okay, that was very easy. It's also a very filthy thing. I think they used some kind of liquid gasket. Not necessary. Totally not. And this one comes out with the spring. Hop, over there. Now, gonna put cloth in here. We're gonna do carefully. Don't try to do it in one go. Just carefully tap it out. There it comes. Already hear it. Hop. Yes. Yes. First I'm gonna give this a clean with petrol. Yes, perfect. Now, clean this edge now too. So this with a bit of Scotch Brite. It's a bit of corrosion. You still see it, but you can't feel it anymore. So, yep, perfect. Then, of course, give it a clean with a bit of WD-40. Okay, this one carefully over there. Now we're gonna take the old, what is it, oil seal off, then the washer, okay, and then the sliding bushing with Teflon. And now, whoa, we gave this one a clean too. Oh, yeah. In here, guys, is this one. Wait a minute. Perhaps you can take it out with here with your fingers, but it's what they call the, I think, the oil stopper. God, these things. For one or the other reason, it seems like this one is more filthy than that one. And that means that a dealer a long time ago, or maybe not, renewed just one oil seal, one leaking. Okay, now we're gonna, oh, there is a lot of, yeah, pitting, not sure if it's called. We take the Scotch Brite, and we now sure that we got every, yeah, here is still. This is, if I can this one I really need to sand away. Wait a minute. Here I got a bit of, it's waterproof, so I can use it with a little WD-40. And now we're gonna carefully sand these pittings away. Yeah, can almost hear it. Yes, come with the wind. Okay, for here one. Yes. Yes, here is another one. Yes. Nice. Here. Another one. Especially this part from here somewhere to there. It's very important. So carefully. Here, feel. Yep. Okay. Yes. In between those clamps it's not that important, but I clean them anyway. Okay. Now watch this one. Still feel it. Yes, yes. Now when it's smooth all the way, then it's good. Yep. Feel it so with your fingers. Yep. It's good. Then we're gonna now come up. Okay. So easy, guys. So easy. Just take some time, huh? Yeah. Up. Now we're gonna give this one an inside clean too. It was an inside job. Okay. So, well, flikker nog steeds. Zo. Oké. Zo. Now guys, this one is now absolute perfect too. So, what? Now we're gonna a little bit clean up the mess I made. Up. So this one, this. Now we're gonna clean those parts. Now, this one. It's really filthy. Wait a minute. This one. Up inside. Together with this one for the first clean. And in a moment I'm gonna put Oh. Zo. Kijk eens hier. Oh, I have to take the smaller one. It's really filthy. Up. Okay. So, in a moment, I'm gonna clean it out. But this one is absolutely more filthy than the other one. 100% sure. We got the bolt. Here is, watch. Here, huh? They put, I'm not sure what it is. It looked like though that gas tape. You know, the white Teflon stuff? It's not white anymore. Hop, hop, hop. No. Huh? Okay. Then. Here. Put it in my petrol. Clean it. Then I got this. Yeah, it's all very sticky stuff. So, oh. Yeah. Duh. So, still not good. So. Okay, now rinse it with petrol. Okay. Looks much better, clean. Up. So, I'm gonna put it over here. Even kijken, hè. Then, got the bolt, nicely cleaned. No, nicely, wait a minute. Okay, see, the cut, it's over here, on the outside too, liquid gasket. It's not necessary, you don't need that, no, never had them leaking with a new copper washer, never. Now, guys, no, still stuff inside, can't live with that. Okay. See? Yes, now it's nicely clean, well done. Guys, there is this hole, as I already told you. Get to a light source and see if light comes in. Okay. check, out of the way. Then clean the rest of it, also easy. Up. Place, wait a minute. Because place this one over here. This one is clean also. We had this one here too. That spring. Okay. Gonna put it onto there. Okay. This one we're gonna slide. Oh no, not yet. In a moment. Okay, and then we have this one. Then a clean too. So, yes. Okay. This one too. And again, inspect that rubber seal, that O-ring, for cracks, damages. Looks good. Looks good. Okay. Then this one too. So. Now guys, we cleaned all the parts. Now we're gonna take the bolt, and the beautiful, and we take a new copper washer, 8mm, check. Hoppa. Then, now it's easy. I got my long thing. First, gonna put it on top of it, like this. Otherwise, the spring flies out, falls out. Gently slide it in, and with your finger, get it. Up. Then I leave it like this. The oil stopper, as they call it. Then we have the bottom part. Now it's an upside down fork. Then we have a look inside here. If it's aligned. Hop, now it's aligned. I take the bolt and the beautiful. Yes, perfectly. What? Show it like this. Screw it in. Then I use my air gun. Okay, I give it a few smacks. Okay. So, now, that was easy, huh? Hop. This one out. Ta-da! See? We have the Teflon bushing that goes over, and carefully place it. Wait a minute, it's not. Yep, now it's good. Temporarily place that washer on top. I got my hammering device. Carefully rotate it. You can. This one goes in easy. You can. Ow! Ow! can hear it when it's bottomed out. Yes, perfectly in place. Now, okay, now the ring stays in. Now, so easy, so very easy. We take a new piece. Why? I don't know. But oh, way too long. So got it somewhere around here. Oh, then push it in. Get the new seal with the closed end on top, facing upwards. Take a bit, fork oil and a little bit on the outside. So, like this, make it nicely slippery, carefully, but I'm going to try to show it like this, perhaps better. From this side, just push it a bit, hop, see, now it's over. Then slide it with plastic down, because often over here are the scratchy things, the rust things. Now in about here, then hold your plastic. Oh, whoops. Yes. Oh. Yes. Okay. Nee. So. Thumbs, see, so easy, until it's nice, not scheef. Then we take my special hammer device, so a minute, put it over here, concrete, and then carefully tap it in. Don't try to tap it in one go, you ruin everything. Take your time. Almost there. You can hear it. Not sure if you can hear it on camera, but you hear it when it's bottomed out. No, not yet. You can also see it. There is that ridge. Just turn it around, round and round. Yeah, now it's over here, not? Yeah, here well. Yes. Absolutely perfect. Well done. Then the spring, easy. Push it in. Hop. Take a screwdriver, and you can hear it. Click. Now it's in. Perfect. Then the dust cap. You can use some grease of oil or whatever, but normally you can You can take a hammer, but I can also take my supersonic device. See? Perfect. Now, ta-da! Now guys, there are two ways you can fill your front fork to the right level.